Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to show y'all my little routine of what I do on a daily basis to get my day started. First, I love using my foaming body scrub, and yes girl, I love to use my honey pot and burn a candle while I'm in the shower. Burning the candle to me sets a mood, so I just love burning it, but I love the smell, the scent of it. And then when I'm done in the shower, I love to use these products to exfoliate my skin and also give my face a little glow. And then I go in with my Hello deodorant. Now I'm just preparing my stuff on the side so I can start exfoliating my face. And I love to go in and just put water on my face, of course, just so my face can be wet, so I can start putting the exfoliation wash on my face. And I'm just going to thoroughly scrub it in. No, I do not use washcloths at the moment. I don't know what it is. I feel like the washcloths break my face out, so I was told to thoroughly wash my hands from my doctor and try to use my hands with the exfoliation wash, and so far it has been doing good. As in me not using a washcloth, I don't know if it's the detergent that I use or what's going on, but I'm trying to find another method to get my face clear and make sure it's not breaking out. After I'm done washing my face, I just pat it dry just to make sure, everything is off. And I just love these products for my face so far. It's so good. It's working so good, I feel like. So my face has been breaking out a little bit, and I wanted to use some new products that I had researched, and I will leave everything of what I'm using down below. So this is a oil that I have found that my friend put me onto. Like I said, I will leave everything down below. You only have to use a little bit of it, and I'm trying to get that glow back in my face and also remove blemishes that I have in my face. So this is a routine that I had came up with just to see if it's going to work with me, and if so, I'm going to continue doing this routine. Now I'm going to be flat ironing my hair so it could look like something, because girl, my hair has been struggling for the last couple of days. These are still the tape-ins in my hair. They still feel good, and I will put the description down below of where I got the tape-ins from. And if you're interested, you can go buy them. They're actually good. But I don't like to put product in my hair just because I feel like it makes my hair heavy, and then plus it's going to be so hot outside. So I think I'm just going to flat iron it just a little bit straight and leave it just like that. I honestly want to cut my hair into a bob, but we will see. So the smell I'll be wearing is Ebony Woods, and I'm gonna go in with my Soap and Glory oil. So y'all, I am all done. My nose is still sweating. I'm so freaking hot. But I'm in my bathroom right now. I'm just touching up my hair. What I have in my hair, I have the tape-ins in my hair, so I put the tape-ins back in my hair. I have 20 inches and I believe 18 inches. I only use 2 bundles of them, so my real hair is straight in, and yeah. But I wanted to curl it, but being that it's about to be like 90 something degrees, I'm not gonna do that because I already know it's gonna drop out. But yes, so today is no makeup day. I'm not gonna wear no makeup today just because I'm trying to get my skin to get back to normal. I just want to go over the products that I have used. So I don't know if I showed you or if you see my video, but I got the micro delivery exfoliation wash. I got this from Sephora, and then I also have so the brand is by Philosophy, and I also have this wash as well. So I exfoliate my skin first with this, and the reason why I got the mini ones because I want to see how it works. So I've been using this for about like 3 weeks now, and I do see a difference in my skin, which I'm definitely gonna go probably purchase the bigger size bottle because they do have a bigger size in Sephora. But yes, so far these are working magic. I'm gonna put everything down below. And then also after I went in and washed everything off of my face, these are the drops that I use right here. And this is Laguna Herbal. So it's a face and eye oil. It renews tone and balance oily skin. And it has mild rose scent in it. So this oil, oh my god, y'all, this oil right here, I'm gonna put all the information to this oil down below, but oh my god, I've been working magic on my skin. Like I see like a glow in my skin as well, and I really like it. Like I've been using that for like 3 weeks as well. So basically when I purchased the Philosophy foliation wash and the wash, I have bought that as well. I got that from TJ Maxx. So if you don't know, TJ Maxx be having stuff in there from Sephora, all that other stuff inside of there. Like good brand stuff that will help your face. It's really not about the brand, it's honestly about the product and how you adapt to it if you break out or anything. So that's where I'm at with it. The other thing that I want to show y'all, because I know a lot of people have been asking me like, oh, do it like what do you use like for deodorant and stuff? Like I really do get a lot of emails. I've been like looking at my emails. So I use Hello. So I don't know if you guys know about Hello. This is like a natural deodorant, and this has no aluminum in it, no baking soda, and it says no brainer. So basically aluminum, from what I was told, is very harmful to your skin, to your body. So I've been researching, trying to find stuff that will not affect my body or cause me to get anything, and I came across Hello. So I really like this scent. So this scent is fresh citrus, and it has shea butter in it. So it's so good. Like I've been using this, I would say like at least 3 months now, because I had switched off of another deodorant. So I've been using this for 3 months now, and it definitely, like, I'm gonna stick to this one. I pray that they do not change the ingredients inside of it, but right now it has been working for me, and I have no complaints at all. But yeah, so I have to go out because of course it's no makeup day, but I don't have an eyebrow pencil. My eyebrow pencil fell inside of the sinkhole. Like I went to twist it and then it just fell right inside the hole. So we're gonna do no makeup day, and I'm gonna wear these shades, my Christian Dior's, which I don't really like. Honestly, I really didn't want to wear makeup today anyway because of the fact that it's gonna be so hot outside. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. The scent that I'm wearing, as you can see, is Ebony Woods. So that's what I'm gonna wear today. Let me spray me a little bit more. You could never get enough of the scent. You can't spray too much, y'all. Like I see people like spray a lot, but I do go in sometimes too. So yes, so I'm wearing Ebony Woods today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get like a nice black bag. That's another thing too. I have to invest and get another bag. I have my water with me, so I'm gonna drink. I love drinking water in the morning. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna head out right now. So I made it. I'm going to TJ Maxx that in there, and then I'm gonna work my way to Sephora and get my stuff. But it's so beautiful outside. See the palm trees behind me? But yeah, it's so beautiful outside. I feel so good. I love weather like this. I'm so happy that, you know, it ain't cold like New York. But let me stop hopping my junk. Like, I'm not from New York. But yeah. So I'm in TJ Maxx, y'all. Let's see what they got in here. Definitely need a wallet. Because my wallet definitely broke. So that's what I have to invest in and getting a wallet. They have some cute bags though.
Early the next morning.
Y'all, good morning. If you don't know who I am, my name is KOKO Glow. This is my channel where I film my vlogs, try on hauls, and I do hair tutorials. So today is an interesting morning. I'm about to go out right now. I have to go and get my teeth pulled right now. I'm a little nervous and scared. I look so busted right now in the morning, but I have to do what I have to do. I'm about to start the procedure of getting my mouth fixed so I can feel better about myself. Then I might go get my nails done depending on how I feel. But I'm about to leave right now to go and get all of this done, and I'm gonna take y'all with me for this morning. So y'all, I forgot to show you the items that I had bought from TJ Maxx when I had went. So I'm showing y'all right now. This is a makeup remover cleansing tissue. So I have a very sensitive skin. So I found out that retinol is very good for skin, as in like just to put on your skin, and also as in like good for makeup wipes, as in removing the makeup off your skin. I'm still learning a lot about different products to help my skin, so y'all gonna be on this journey with me. The next thing I bought was these 3 items. This one has retinol and collagen inside of it. Collagen is actually good for your skin as well. I bought this. This is a hydrating facial toner. I needed a facial toner because my other one, I really did not like it at all, and I think threw it away. This is a Cetaphil, I hope I'm saying it right, gentle skin cleanser. So I had read a lot of reviews about Cetaphil, and I heard that it's really good for your skin. So I definitely want to try this out as well. I'm gonna definitely like switch off from both. My doctor said it was okay for me to try Cetaphil before I had bought the other products I had bought from Sephora, but I finally got it, so I am going to try that out and see if that helps my skin as well to get back clear. And then the next thing that I had bought was from Elf, and I'm just gonna give y'all a clear view. So this is an oil control. So I have oily skin, so when I put on makeup, like I'll give it like an hour or two, like my face looks shiny and oily. So I came across this in TJ Maxx, and it's an oil control liquid. Sorry if you see a little light. And then it says oil control pores minimizing serum, and then up there is an oil control, like a pink powder. This was definitely, all of this stuff was definitely like affordable in TJ Maxx. If you do not know, TJ Maxx is one of my favorite places to go and get stuff for your face, your body, or makeup. They have a lot of stuff there. So I just wanted to show y'all that, and yeah.